Hello, welcome back to our channel. So I'm currently just getting ready for the day. I'm getting ready for the first time in such a long time. I've had zero motivation to get ready lately, and I knew it was a problem when I went to a makeup event the other day. I went to a BH Cosmetics event and had no makeup on my face, and I'm like, okay, like I need to stop being lazy and put on some makeup. Not that I feel like I need makeup, but you know, makeup is a huge part of my identity and like my job. So I went to Ulta yesterday and I spent unnecessary amounts of money because I'm like, maybe buying new products will like motivate me to actually get ready. So far I just have lashes on, some bronzer on my eyes, and I just got my eyebrows laminated and tinted. You can't see it that well because I'm so far away, but I'm gonna insert clips from my phone and you guys can see my eyebrows are like super bushy and I love the look. They look so cute, but the tint is a little dark, but I just got them done yesterday and I can't wash my face for 24 hours, so they will lighten up in the next few days. So yeah, they are pretty dark for my face right now, but my brows look bomb. I don't get my eyebrows done, so just to get them shaped, I was like, wow, this was the first time I got my eyebrow hairs trimmed. And guys, my eyebrow hairs were so long, I had no idea I had that much eyebrow hair. Also for lashes, don't these lashes look like lash extensions? They're actually the Kiss number 11 lashes. So you can get these from the drugstore, but they're like the perfect, just like lightweight. You don't want to wear mink eyelashes, but you don't want to wear just mascara either. They're like the perfect in between. So yeah, Kiss number 11 is bomb. So from Ulta, the foundation that I picked up, so I was using Bobbi Brown's Skin Longwear Weightless for the longest. You guys know I'm a huge fan of that, and I actually just ran out, so I'm like, let me try a new one. So I've been seeing this all over Instagram. A lot of my friends are working with Smashbox for this foundation. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. Well, this is the shade 2.22 and then 3.15. So I'm gonna mix these and add a little bit of my coral oil and just apply this to my face. So I got my eyebrows done by my friend Lisa. Her name is Slade by Katana on Instagram. I'll put her info on the screen and I'll also put it in the description box for you guys if you want to get your brows done. She also does lashes, so she does lash extensions, she does lash lifts, but she is really bomb and she's really amazing too. She's located in Woodland Hills, so if you guys need someone for that, definitely make sure you guys check her out and tell her that I sent you. I've been so tired the past few weeks, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm just pushing through. I actually just hit 36 weeks today. So we are really far into the pregnancy. The baby could be here any day, honestly. Like I see some people giving birth at 36, 37 weeks. So I definitely feel it. I'm in so much pain 24/7. Like my back kills me. I'm just so ready for the baby to be out. But at the same time, I know I'm gonna miss being pregnant so much. Like, I'm so annoying. Like I'm always like, oh, I can't wait to have him. I can't wait to have him. I'm in so much pain. Then I'm like, I know I'm gonna miss my belly so much. Damn, this foundation really is full coverage. Also from Ulta yesterday, I picked up the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I know this is like an OG. I used to use this all the time, and then I just started using other concealers. And I apply this. I just realized I didn't even tell you guys what I'm doing today. So, oh, also I got my nails done again yesterday. They look so good. You guys know I always do white. But I'm going out to brunch with Yasmin and Ponce. And then I have a lot of content that I need to do before the baby gets here. I gave myself this week off. I've just been nesting like crazy, you guys. Like the nesting is so real. I've just been cleaning and organizing and getting like all the nitty-gritty stuff done. Like we had to get a lot of electrical work done. I've just been working on just getting everything done so when the baby gets here, like we can just relax and just like enjoy the baby. But I have like so much content due and I just was not feeling cute. And that is why I like set a bunch of appointments yesterday. Got my brows done, got a spray tan, got my nails done. I'm like, I need motivation because I'm just not feeling cute. And I just feel like that's so important, especially during pregnancy, to still take care of yourself, because it's so easy to just like let yourself go and just be lazy, which is fine, you know, like this is the time to do that. But I definitely don't want to just, I'm not happy when I'm in that state. Like I'm not happy when I'm not going out and seeing friends and, you know, dressing up and getting cute. Like that's just something that brings me joy and happiness, and if I don't, like I just feel really lazy and sluggish, and I don't like that. I have so many videos I want to do before the baby gets here, stories due, just so many things due, babies due, everything is due. Oh my gosh guys, the craziest thing happened yesterday. So yesterday at the nail salon, I walk in and I run into a subscriber and she's like, oh my gosh, that's so crazy you just walked in, because she literally pulls up her phone. She showed the nail tech an old photo of my nails, like as her inspiration to get her nails done. Like, what a small world. It's like she manifested me walking in there, you know? By the way, I really like the finish of this foundation. Again, this is the Smashbox, the new one, the Studio Skin. But it says on the back, it said like soft blurring effect, and I was like, okay. But no, it actually, like, I feel like it's giving my face almost like a filter. Oh my gosh, you read my mind.
I always do.
I love you.
I love you too.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I literally could hear Mel making coffee downstairs. And in my head, I'm like, I should text him to make me a cup and bring it up here. And he literally just did it without me asking. Like, life is good. If you have a spray tan and you're gonna use setting spray, you have to do this or you're gonna get a patchy neck. There's alcohol in setting spray and that breaks up your tan. So make sure you guys always cover your neck, cover your chest. I'm about to head out. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit real quick, but I'm not gonna be taking my vlog camera. I'm just gonna show like the food and stuff on my phone. But I'm wearing this black dress from Naked Wardrobe's Baby Mama line. Looks really cute with the bump. Then I just threw on this long cardigan from Pretty Little Thing just to help keep me warm. Then my sandals are from Miss Lola. Guys, look at these pancakes. Oh my gosh, so good. You guys wanna say what's up?
Hi.
You're like, hi.
Hello. Hi. You want me to say it's me?
It's me, Ponce.
It's me. It's me, Ponce.
Hey guys, I just got home a little bit ago. Just changed into something more comfy and just hung out with the dogs for a little bit. But look at how cute Mel set up the bassinet. Look at our little bassinet, guys. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Also, a shout out to Juju and Des for getting us this bassinet for our baby shower. So yeah, they got us this as a gift and we love it so much. It's like the perfect height for our bed. I also came home to a package from Savage X Fenty, so we have some more goodies from there. So I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys, and I just realized this is gonna be my last Savage Fenty haul pregnant. The next one you guys are gonna see is gonna be me after having the baby, so that's so crazy. But they sent me really cute pieces like for their new spring collection, so it's all like these pastel colors, like very Easter inspired, super cute. So I'm gonna try on some of these for you guys. So here are all the sets that I got from Savage X Fenty. How cute are all the pastel colors? I'm so obsessed. This yellow is like calling my name. This is like my favorite one so far. Okay, so here's that yellow set on. I have to try it on first because it was absolutely my favorite. So it's just a lacy push-up bra, and I'm so in love with the lace. It's really well made and really comfortable, like it's not itchy at all. And then here is the matching thong. Guys, look at my belly. Like, I am 9 months pregnant. Like, can you guys believe that? You can be pregnant and still be sexy. So I love, love, love this combination. The lace is really well made, and usually like lacy lingerie can feel really itchy and uncomfortable and really cheap. Just put on another set. This bra is a different style, so as you can see, it cuts like really low, so it's good for like to put under low cut shirts. And it's this really pretty pastel blue color. I'm so in love with the color. Don't mind my veiny boobs. They're getting ready to produce some milk. Matching microfiber panties. These are full bottom panties, which I really enjoy lately. And yeah, this is the next set. I love it. This lavender set is so pretty, you guys. Look at the detailing on the bra. Like, the lace is absolutely beautiful and the bra is so comfortable. It does have underwire, so you still have a lot of support. And then you have the matching lace panties as well, but I am loving this bra. They actually sent me this set in that neon yellow, if you guys can see it on the bed. So I'm gonna try on the neon yellow as well. So here's that same set in this neon yellow color, and I'm covering the nips because this is sheer, but again, it's like super sexy, super comfortable. I absolutely love this set. Like, the lace. 1 second, guys. I just ate some Tums because my heartburn is crazy. But last set I'm gonna be trying on for you guys is this sports bra set. Hold on, let me pull down the band so you can actually see it. So it says Savage X Fenty on the band. So this is more like a sports bra, comfortable cotton bra vibes. Like this is a really great set to just have when you're lounging around the house and just want to be on your chill vibes. When you're trying to just lounge around, you don't want to wear anything with underwire or padding or anything like that, this is the fit for you. So the only set I'm not going to be trying on for you guys is this one, and I tried it on and it's way too risque for YouTube. This is something I'm gonna keep for Mel's eyes only, if you feel me. But yeah, this is just like this sheer purple two-piece, and this, oh my gosh guys, your boobs look so good in this. I'm gonna try to find a picture of this on the site so you guys can see it on the model, but this just looks so cute. So that's everything I have to show you guys from Savage X Fenty. Again, everything will be linked down below for you guys, and they have really great offers this month. You can get 2 bras and bralettes for $29 and 50% off everything else, and they have bra and undie sets starting as low as $15. So definitely make sure you guys check it out. I'll put a link to them down below. Savage X Fenty really just has everything. They have bras, panties, lingerie, pajamas, you know, long robes. You guys know I love my robes, and their size range is incredible. Their bras go from 32A to 42H, and their sizing also ranges from extra small to XXX. So definitely make sure you guys check them out, linked down below. I'm just about to edit a little bit and get ready because I have some friends coming over. Danny and Javi are coming over. We're just gonna hang out, have a girls' night, and we're just gonna go run to the store real quick and make some homemade pizzas. We're always cooking, I swear. Danny just like loves to cook for me. So yeah, let me go change real quick, and I'm just gonna edit until everybody gets here. Mel just got home and he brought me a Jamba Juice. This one's the Aloha pineapple. It's like strawberries, pineapples, stuff like that. But I haven't seen him yet. Thank you for the Jamba Juice.
Well,
I missed you today.
Mr. Mo.
What are you eating? Is that pasta? Let me get a bite. After your girl be like she don't want anything.
Back up.
So here's my pizza. I did mushrooms, black olives, sun-dried tomatoes, ricotta cheese. This is Mel's side. He did barbecue sauce, pineapple, jalapeno, chicken sausage. Let's see Javi's pizza. She went in.
Listen, I'm an art major,
She's
babes.
a tourist. Hold on, we need to turn the light on because we need to get a good look at this pizza.
So,
This is Javi, by the way.
hi everyone. So here's my masterpiece.
That looks delicious.
Salami, pineapple, ricotta cheese, olives. I am a foodie 100%. A foodie plate.
All right, mine might not be the prettiest.
What?
Like,
All
all right.
Why is your mushroom on the
Okay,
other side?
because I just wanted like a taste of it, like a flavor.
Okay.
But I bet you mine tastes the best.
Whoa, those are statements, Danny. Those are statements.
I'm telling you.
What do we think, guys? Do we think Danny's
All right,
pizza
don't
looks the
blame
best?
me. Don't
Mine
blame
has
me.
oregano. It gives me
Yeah,
And
also
for, any,
some.
for anyone coming in the comments trying to say anything about pineapple on pizza,
No,
Wow.
pineapple on pizza.
it's fine. I know, but people like really have
Yeah,
an
that's
issue
like
with it.
one of the biggest arguments I've ever.
I know,
Yeah.
but it's fire, and I need
It's so
ends.
good.
And I'm Italian, so I know it's a little bit of a spice, but I'm here for it.
I don't know about you guys, but I feel like mine takes the cake.
Yours does look good.
I'm also digging the aesthetics
Yeah,
of this.
Oh,
I love
it's like
like
half and
a
half?
I love
two-side.
this. Yeah, a little
Mel's so
battle
funny.
of
His
the
sausage, jalapeno, pineapple. There's a lot going on there.
Mel put barbecue
Okay, but
sauce.
spicy and sweet.
That's barbecue. That's not even tomatoes.
And the salami, please. Oh my god.
Boy. You trying to eat some pizza too?
Bro, wait, no.
guys,
Look at
don't
the
get
update. Look on
What?
the update on that, please. What is that?
It's just to try it.
This is like the sample
This is
pizza.
this is a
This
taste
is a sample
tester.
pizza.
But it's gonna be fire though. That's all that matters.
Y'all, look at our pizzas though. And then we have Danny's masterpiece. She said she took this out of the oven and she said, perfection if I've ever seen it.